So when I create, can you go for the purchase order? Can you just see what I created in the list? So
Okay.
This one, pending receipt, the one which is the metro. I am not able to fulfill because the location is not showing me, sir. Can you just go through it? If I want to fulfill this receipt, receive the item. So when I go down,
Location is not there because the location is not created at all. So let's create a location.
yeah, sir.
Okay, now we got the location, right? Since the location was not there, you were not able to create it. Now I have created the location and we are doing an item receipt directly so that we have received the quantity. Okay, it is done, right? You understood that? So if you go to Dell laptop now, there will be a
Okay,
new location. Scroll
okay,
down and the location will be cloud and the quantity on hand is 100 because we have received it. Okay.
okay, sir. What I did in the purchase order, I did not mention the location, but in the receipt, when I try to put the location, it's not at all taking.
Mhm.
Okay, I think I got it.
Fine. So for the same cloud, I'm sorry, for the same item, we will do a sales order. Okay. Have you created this customer device electricals?
No, sir. This
Okay.
one I did not create it.
Fine. Fine. So we'll add the item. Mm. Okay. What was the item?
Dell laptop, sir. The
Ah,
first one.
is this the one?
Yes, sir. That is the one.
Okay. Okay. This item was available only for one subsidiary. So what I've done is I have extended it to all the subsidiaries. Okay. Start date and date. You are in US. You know. That's why that item was not available for us for selection here. Now that I have extended it to all the subsidiaries, we have it. Okay. 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 This customer is having main branch. Okay. Let's go to the customer as well. We have created it for Canada subsidiary. Okay. So this customer that we are looking at also has to be for Canada subsidiary only because you will not be able to, you know, fulfill the item if it is not from that Canada subsidiary. Okay. Let us do the sales order then. Okay. You can go from purchase opportunity, sales quotes and all. But since we have already seen all those, we are directly creating a sales order for this. Okay. Why is it showing 0 second? Available is 100, right? Cloud location. Okay. So if you go back to the inventory item now, okay, we have fulfilled one quantity out of 99. See, out of 100, one is fulfilled, 99 are available right now. Okay. So let's go back to the item fulfillment again. We will invoice this also. Though it says bill, this has to be an invoice, right? Because we are fulfilling. Whatever is associated with purchase order will be a vendor bill, and whatever is associated with the sales order will be an invoice. So we are invoicing it. Let us also accept the payment for $100. The accounts are also not there. So we are receiving a payment of $100 from the customer since we have shipped out one quantity. Okay. So from accounts receivable to bank account, that is what will be your GL impact. And if you go back to the previous option of invoice, okay, this is how it will be. And if you go back further to the item fulfillment, that is where, sorry, that is where you will have the COGS, cost of goods sold. cost of sales. Okay. You have seen it, right? So till here, we have already covered in the previous sessions, till the invoicing and everything. So today, what we'll do is, since I created a sales order for us, let's just go ahead and do a return, sales return from that. Okay. You either can do it from here, authorize return, or you can go to transactions, customers, and then issue return authorizations. It will be the same screen, by the way. I mean, if you click on this, it will still take you to that same screen that you will get the return authorization. So on that navigation, you actually can create bulk return authorizations. Like, you can select multiple sales orders and then create a return authorization for them. The one quantity that we have taken here, we are trying to create a return authorization for that, because the customer, maybe they are thinking that they do not want the item, or there is an issue with the item, whatever it is. It could be quantity issue, it could be quality issue, or, they just do not want the item at all at this point in time. So they want to return it. So the first thing that you do is you will create a return authorization for the customer to return the item. So here in this case, we will get an item receipt. Okay. First of all, let's approve the return authorization. Okay. So since this is, see, in case of purchase order, first, when you create a purchase order, you will have an item receipt, because you have to take the quantity into the warehouse. And the same when you're doing a purchase return, right? So you purchased something, you're not happy with it, and you're returning it. That is the reason item fulfillment comes in case of purchase returns. Okay, purchase return authorization. When you do, there will be an item fulfillment over there. Here, it is exactly the opposite. When you do a sales order, first of all, there will be item fulfillment, because you are shipping out the material out of your warehouse, right? So after the invoicing is done, after everything is done, when you're doing a sales return authorization, that is, the customer is not happy about whatever it is, the quantity or quality or whatever it is, and they want to ship it back. So in that case, you will get an item receipt like this, because you are taking the material back into the warehouse. Okay. So you click on receipt. Same location, you're taking it back. Right. So the item receipt is done right now. Okay. So if you go back to your inventory item, the quantity will be back to 100, because we've taken that item back into the warehouse. Any questions on this? Okay, thank you. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from this item receipt, again, what you need to do is, let's go back to the return authorization again. And here you will find a refund. Okay. Why are you giving a refund? Because the customer has already paid for this, right? We've taken the payment already. So that is the reason we have to issue a refund for this, since the customer has shipped it back. You can do a refund from here again, or you can go to transactions, customers, and then refund returns. This also can be done. So if you open this, all the pending refunds will be available here. You see this? This is a pending refund that is there, right? For device electricals item. I'm sorry, this is a customer. So this pending, this $100 credit is pending. So you can either do from there, or you can do it from here as well. There are two navigations, for everything. The reason behind that is, if you have multiple refunds to process, right? As of now, we have only one refund that we are doing it here. But if you have 10 refunds to be processed, then you can click on each of them and then click on submit. It automatically processes the refund for all these 10 refunds that we are supposed to give. Okay. So we'll go from return authorization refund. So this will take us to the credit note, wherein first of all, it will generate a credit note of $100 for this customer, and that will be in the system until you give a refund. Okay. So you will check the item, you check the quantity, what was the rate which the customer has purchased, and how much you need to give a credit for. Okay. So let's save it. Okay. As of now, it is just a credit memo against this customer that you have created, and that is for device ELCS. Okay. So if you click on refund, from the bank account that we created, we are issuing a refund to the customer because $100, whatever payment is there, we are actually processing the refund to this customer. Okay. This is already applied. $100 refund you can process. Refund method, if it is check or something, it will ask if it's cash or check or whatever it is. We can mention that and issue a refund. Okay. Any question on this? So the entire process of sales is complete with this. So we have seen how to generate leads. We have seen how to convert leads to prospects and from prospects to customers by creating some transactions, the opportunities and everything. So that comes as part of this. And now if you go to the reports, sales orders. Okay. So these are the reports which will be there in the system. So you can see, what are the open invoices. You can see if there are any open invoices. As of now, we have already received the payment. So even before receiving the payment, if you would have come here, right? So that open invoice will be showing up here. As of now, it will be nothing because we have already received the payment. So that is the reason it won't show up anything over here. But before receiving the payment on that sales order, if you would have come to this report, then the open invoices would show up. Okay. And then sales by customer. If you can open that. Sales by item, sales by sales representative, historical item, right? All these things you can see. Sales by customer, you can see. Oh, hold on. Sales orders by customer. Okay. Sales orders by item. One second. Are we not seeing the data here? Sorry. Okay. So because we have done a complete refund back, right? So that is the reason it is not visible over there. But if you would have done just the sales order, then it will be visible. $100 again. So if you click open this, you will be able to find the sales. You can open the return authorization. This is sales order by customer detail that you have this option for. It's the same thing that we have done, right? So if you click on this, it will take you to the sales order, which is already built. And if you click on this return authorization, it will take you to the return authorization, which was processed and refunded. Okay. So please go through these reports that you have for sales. I know I have, asked you to go through the uh, purchase reports. I'm not sure if you had a chance to check that. Again, you have open return authorizations. These are for purchases because we have not done any returns that you are not able to find. Under customer returns, you will find the customers again, customers by sales representative, customers by territory, profitability, all these reports, you can actually view them. Okay. Any questions on this? So whatever marketing reports, marketing things that we have done, you will be able to find it here. For the purchase, you will find purchase vendors payables. Okay. These are all the purchase reports. And for the sales, you have sales orders, okay, customers, and order management. You will find most of the sales reports in these options here. And then financial, under financial, whatever we have done, you will be able to find the chart of accounts and all these financial things in the financial, right? And then you can also have lead management also should be there, right? Lead report is not there. Financial, you can see revenue, you can see projects, it's marketing. Okay, the marketing maybe. Yeah, there you go. The lead source analysis and everything will be visible under marketing only. Issue management, open issues. This is for the support part that we have already seen. Okay. Any questions on this so far?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, where to check how much profit we made per item? So, how to see how much profit we made?
Okay. So that will be a part of the income statement. Okay. There is something called as income statement. So you will be able to see the how much we have made and everything that will be visible. Why are we not getting this report? 1 second. Okay. As of now, there is no income statement because, as you know, we told you, right? We have given a refund already. You understood?
Yeah.
We have
Yeah,
taken
sir.
one,
Yeah.
correct. $100. We have
Mm-hmm.
taken a payment, but that $100 we have already given it back.
Yeah,
So that is the
exactly.
reason the income. So that comes under the income statement. Yeah. Okay. This is what it is.
So it shows per item, sir. Every item, how much we
Yeah. You can
purchase, how
see
much
when
we
you click
sold.
on more, you can
Mm-hmm.
see, you can filter it by item.
Okay.
Okay. Here you can see, you can select under the income statement, you can
Yeah, the
select
laptop.
whatever item you want. So this is for Dell laptop, right? So if you select that, it will show you only for that particular item over here. What is the income or, what have we done? So here we are not seeing the income as of now. The reason behind that is same $100 we have already given a refund. We took a payment and we gave a refund for that item, right? So that is the reason it is not visible. So it is a part of the income statement. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Good question. Okay. So only one thing is left out right now, which is the fixed assets management. Okay. So fixed assets management, the previous instance had fixed assets management, but this one actually does not have it. So let us see. Uh, this is how you install a bundle. Okay. See, fixed assets management free. I think this is the bundle that we have to install because number of installs are 15. So I click on fixed assets management. This way we can also show you how to install the bundles, right? Which will be helpful for you. So you click on fixed assets management free bundle, and then you will check what are the components under it. If you click on components, you will see what all are available. It is loading right now. So let it load. It will come. Okay. So, oh,
Yeah, I have a question, sir.
yeah, go ahead.
If it is locked, last time subsidiary navigator, I did the same thing, install. Uh, because of the lock, we can't install, right?
Hmm.
We did not install the subsidiary navigator. I tried to install from this, so we can't install.
No, you should be able to install that. This is lock on install, which means after installation, this will be locked. Okay. So it is pending right now. It will show you the progress. Let's wait. This is how you install any bundle. You know, if you are installing the bundle for the very first time, like the warehouse and distribution or manufacturing bundle or whatever bundle that you're installing on NetSuite, this is the first option that you have to do. Still pending. Let's wait for that to be completed. So this is where you go customization, suite bundler, search and install bundles. You can type here.
What is this public and shared, sir? What is this availability public and shared?
Okay. So if it is a shared bundle, you won't have access to install that. Okay. It has to be a public bundle. Only, shared in the sense it is shared among a few people only. Public in
Okay,
the sense anybody can install that particular bundle.
okay, sir.
I don't know if we can install this. So what is a fixed assets management? We already spoke about this. Any idea what is a fixed asset?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you
Like,
try?
yeah, sir. Fixed asset means like land, machinery, building, uh, which is there for long time.
Correct. So these are, the fixed assets could be a property that is owned by the company. Okay, property in the sense not land or anything, but equipment also can be property, right?